Is there anything better than a warm bowl of homemade soup on a chilly day? It's like a warm hug from the inside out. Today we're tackling a classic cream of mushroom soup. Don't be intimidated. This recipe is easy to follow and oh so delicious. This ain't no canned soup, folks. We're using fresh ingredients and simple techniques to create a soup that's bursting with flavor. You'll be amazed at how easy it is to make restaurant-quality soup right in your own kitchen. So grab your apron and let's get cooking. Before we get started, let's round up our ingredients. Here's what you'll need. 1 pound fresh mushrooms, sliced, 4 tablespoons butter, half a cup chopped onion, 1/4 cup all-purpose flour, 4 cups chicken broth, 1 cup heavy cream, salt and pepper to taste, and fresh parsley for garnish. See? Simple, everyday ingredients that come together to create something truly special. Now that we've got everything we need, let's get cooking. First things first, let's get those mushrooms going. Grab a large pot or Dutch oven and melt the butter over medium heat. Add the chopped onions and cook for a few minutes until they're soft and translucent. Now, it's time for the stars of the show. The mushrooms. Add them to the pot and cook, stirring occasionally until they're golden brown and tender. This should take about 8 to 10 minutes. The mushrooms will release their moisture as they cook, so don't worry if the pot seems a little dry at first. Once the mushrooms are nice and golden, sprinkle the flour over them and stir to combine. Cook for another minute or two, stirring constantly. This will help to create a roux, which will thicken our soup beautifully. Slowly whisk in the chicken broth, making sure there are no lumps. Bring the soup to a simmer and cook for about 10 minutes, or until it starts to thicken slightly. Now, for the best part, the cream. Stir in the heavy cream and cook for a few more minutes, just until the soup is heated through. Don't let it boil. Okay, y'all, it's time to taste and adjust the seasoning. Add salt and pepper to your liking. Remember, you can always add more, but you can't take it away. So start small and taste as you go. I like to add a pinch of nutmeg to my cream of mushroom soup. It adds a warm, slightly sweet flavor that complements the mushrooms perfectly. But that's just me. Feel free to experiment with other herbs and spices, like thyme or rosemary. And there you have it, a big pot of creamy, dreamy, homemade cream of mushroom soup. Ladle it into bowls, garnish with a sprinkle of fresh parsley, and serve with your favorite crusty bread for dipping. This soup is pure comfort food at its finest. It's perfect for a cozy night in, a light lunch, or even a simple weeknight dinner. And the best part? It's made with love and a whole lot of mushrooms. So go on. Give this recipe a try and let me know what you think in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more down-home recipes.